Easy.
Gente, cadê as velas? Ah, tá aqui.
Yeah.什么意思？什么意思？这是什么意思？喂！That's good. None of that.
Hi, I'm Trevor, and I guess whole egg, crowding, peanut, and potato starch.
No, no, Freya. No, 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 no. Freya, stop.
So do you think the kid's gonna run?
Ow! 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 Oh! No! Okay, I get off, man. Oh, Lord have mercy.
I literally just put fresh litter in here. I can't win.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this. Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Hey buddy, guess what? You're on hold to be adopted. You are. You have a home. Yes, you do.
Лицо Саймона сфотографируй. Это смешно. На его лицо посмотри. Уселся.
Cats just be like, meow.
It's tomatoes. It's tomatoes.
Just stop licking your penis. Pickle. Disgusting.
I've seen things get pretty bad.
What the? Chalupa. Chalupa. Oh my God.
Okay.
Đỡ lại miệng trọng đừng ngồi. Rồi, bây giờ miệng trọng vàng nha. Rồi, đừng còn miệng trọng vàng. Vậy đi cho bé nói, bây giờ nó lộn miệng trọng luôn cho bé làm thật cái lộn. Đây sẽ tắt là anh xin luôn à.
Totally did.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Marul. Marul. Aşağı düşeceksin. Marul. Marul buraya gel. Marul düşüyor anne. Anne
You stay.
You have the cutest little meow.
¿Cuánto cuesta ese animalito?
Ay, Pablo. Esa bestia así como está, como para ustedes, la dejo en 50.
Who's a sleepy kitty? Oh, you're being all cute. Who's a cute kitty? Who's a cute sleepy kitty?
There's a fairly large spider on my cat's head.
What? Really? Really?
Midnight, are you cleaning the table?
Laura? Laura?
You're not as much of a little demon as they thought you were.
Work out for so long on your bike and then realize you've been doing it wrong this whole time? I mean, clearly, what was I thinking? What?
So we got a few people asking why we, oh, bitch. We, freaking have to pull some poopy out of her bummy. And that's because she was hit by a car before we adopted her and they set her hips too narrow.
Blue, what are you doing?
He's trying to scare us. That's what Ben does. Because the people coming here intend to do us harm.
Tiger. Oh, tiger baby!
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood.
Olli, jeg får det på videoen også, hvad nu. De der øjne, mand.
Oh my god, look at the control. Look.
Roger says hi, and he's messing at my hair. Oh my god. You are something else.
You okay?
They're so cute!
truth is, you're my only friend, Brian. If I didn't have you, I'd be lost.
You'd be okay.
No, I wouldn't. I don't really care for anybody else, just you. You're the only one I like.
It's not that it's not convenient, it's just impossible right at this minute.
Brownie. Normalize you not touching my charger. Stop.
Give me a high five. Thanks.
Can I have some Chex Mix? Can I have some Chex? Hey, can I have the Chex Mix? I bought it. Hey, dude, give me the Chex Mix.
Training alert.
Okay, are you all done? Okay.
No. No. Oh my.
Do you have a little kitty? Is he very, very pretty? Does he scratch up all his toys? Does he make a lot of noise? Is he very, very fluffy like your very favorite stuffy? Do you have
Oh, Sharkasia! Oh my God, Sharkasia!
Empanadas.
drugs?
No, we're okay.
Drugs?
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who invited?
Empanadas.
easiest and best way for us to fight climate change.
Sao được chứ? Ngủ với này, ngủ với này, ngủ.
El gobierno de la provincia de Buenos Aires.
Necesito diagrama con acidez.
Michelin. ¿Qué haces ahí? ¿Tenés frío?
Sao đó Hoa? 你要干嘛？啊？想吃肉啊？啊？我吃鸡胸肉不？吃不？妈给你拿去啊。
好吃吗？多吃点。好吃吗？
Я не можу без кота, я не можу. База забрали. Мені нема з ким навіть поговорити, де і все.
There's no way we're literally making this happen right now. There's no way. Yes.
Y llegó. ¡Ay, ay, ay!
Can you hold on?
I don't know what drugs you took this morning, but this is unacceptable behavior. Do you hear me? Kitten?
Chronicles of Misty. I have to follow her around. She keeps getting stuck in weird places.
Drugs.
No, we're okay.
Drugs.
This is awkward. No, thank you.
Drugs.
Who invited?
Hey! Stop it.
Do you have my wallet?
I know people that struggle with addiction. I've seen
Luna.
Why y'all like to be in the middle of the street? Y'all know these people be driving crazy. Especially you, cockeye. You know you can't see which way the car coming.
Goyang kaki. Lepas tu ada anak lempar dekat aku. Macam aku ni kuli batak, tahu tak? Jalan anak perangai macam beruk.
Marul. Marul buraya gel. Marul düşüyor anne. Anne Marul.
Ha ha ha.